Welcome to today's blog post. It'll be quite different than we've had in the past. I've gotten quite a few questions in regards to how I design my albums using Albumstomp and who I print through. So I thought today would be a great day to go ahead and just give you all a little screen share showing you exactly how I can create a custom design album for a client in 15 minutes or less using Albumstomp. So we're going to open up Albumstomp and I'm going to create a new project. Now I'm going to choose an 8x8. Just that's what I'm going to go with right now. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to press new. Now I'm going to name my album Catalinato Family. I'm going to keep my album company as custom because I'm not going to use the ones they recommend here. I could change my dimensions if I want to do a 12x12 or a 10x10 or etc. I could change those there. I'm going to keep my trim at 1/4 of an inch, my DPI at 300. I'm going to do 12 spreads today. All right, we're going to click sugar. It's album time. All right, now what we need to do is we need to go grab our images to pull down here on our film strip. So bear with me just one moment while I go to those and grab those and pull them into my film strip. And as those are loading, they'll load pretty quickly here, and then I can begin to design it in a timely manner. Now I am going to print my album through Miller's printing lab, and so therefore I know that I need to keep my first spread. I need to keep my left hand side empty so when I upload to them and their template to order that it's correct. So those are the kind of things you'll learn as you continue to print through your printing company. All right, now on my first spread, again, I'm going to leave my left-hand side page empty. Now I'm going to, since we started out with family shots here with this family, I'm going to grab a couple of these great shots that I love, and I'm going to go down here and maybe choose one more. I'm going to drag and drop them over to my right-hand side of my page. And they're going to pop up, and it's going to give me a design, and I can choose and rearrange my design over here on my left hand side, or I can use the mix it up button, which is going to take me straight through that same strip off to the side. So I like that. I like a clean cut album. We're going to go to spread 2, and here I'm going to use this little guy. I'm going to use some of his black and whites, pop him up here on the left. Got a handsome fella. I can go either. Gives me 2 options to choose from, and then I'm going to continue down on my film strip and I'm going to grab some family shots for this right hand page. Alright, great shot here. In fact, I just want to make this one image. I'm going to spread, go and jump into spread 3. I'm going to get some of them just walking, getting those. I'm going to pop them up on the left hand side of the page. I'm going to change my mix it up, see which one I want to do. Alright, this little guy in front of this awesome door on the Covington Street fronts, I'm going to grab some of his great little shots. Good urban look. Put that over here, his smiles. I want some bigger images. I want to show off as much as I can. Alright, jump into spread 4. I'm going to come down on my film strip again. Love this little series of shots that I got of this guy. And we're going to just pop them all up there. And let's see what kind of spreads they give me to choose from. Again, oh, love it. Love what they've already done for me. He's looking straight at me with his little smile. And so I'm going to leave it right there. Again, you could hop over here and do something else. That one's great too. I love it. All right, love his little personality. Full of personality. Love that shot. Of course, I'm a black and white fan to begin with. All right, moving right along to spread 5. Now we've got the family with the door. So I'm going to highlight which images I want using my command key and pressing them, dragging them right up there. And then we're going to continue on. We've got some great shots of just son and father and son and mother. So I'm going to pop those up there. There's some great little shots. Right hand page, fill this page up with hugs and kisses. Alright, notice I have a new window popped up. It said replace or add. If I wanted to go ahead and add a picture to this spread, I most certainly can. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm going to choose one image. It's highlighted right here. I'm going to go to the add, not replace, but add. Alright, so now we've added them. Mix it up, see what we get. Ah, love that one because it gives me one big one with mom and son and a large one with father and son. Alright, moving right along. to spread 6. Now I'm going to get some great little family images up there. Let's say I decided I pull that one up there. I'm not really crazy about it. I'm going to go in and press replace. And ta-da, it takes the one I wasn't as crazy with and put up there the, oops, I'm moving on you, the other one that I love. All right, some more great family shots in this urban look. Gonna add another one up there with the whole family, a little more distance. Love it. I think I'm gonna add one up there of mom and dad as well to give us a 3. All right, and then now it's gonna let me choose and mix it up and replace it however I like. And so you can click through, choose what you like, mix it up. I like that one much better, featuring mom and dad a little bit more. All right, spread 7. Spread 7 is going to take us to, I'm going to do just a page with mom and dad. Adding them. Notice I'm just adding one at a time right now, just showing you that there's multiple ways to do it. Again, I'm going to go with a little bit larger of a spread so I get to see more images. And that's just what I want to do with these. Down here at the bottom, it's showing me the small number, which page this image is already on. So I don't want to duplicate, but I want to go ahead and add one more. So I'm going to add that one there. We'll have 4 here. Again, let's make these a bit bigger. Let's showcase them. They deserve it. All right, just a couple more images here. We're going to do a big family shot on this layout. I'm going to go on to spread 8. And then I'm going to include these next 2 on its very own spread. This has a lot of meaning for that family, so I want to definitely add that. All right, and then my right-hand page, it's empty. All right, now, one thing I want to mention is with who I'm printing through, I want that right-hand page to be empty. So now I have 2 more shots just in front of this blue door. So I'm going to go ahead and add them here, and then what I will do in my printing company is just have an extra page that's empty in the back. Okay, that's my album. I am done. Now all I'm going to simply do is come up to my Albumstomp. Let's see. We're going to save it. It's not letting me save it. So let's press stomp it. Now it's telling me I must save. Now it's letting me. So we're going to save this. It's going to save just a file straight to my desktop that it'll read when it stomps it. It's already named for me, Callie Not a Family, to save to my desktop. We're going to save that. We'll take but just a second. And then I'm going to stomp it. Once I stomp it, this is going to export all of these. Actually, remember, I wanted to do a 12-page spread because I wasn't sure. And in reality, I only used 8. So all I'll simply do is just, once these spreads are loaded onto my desktop, I will just delete spread 9, spread 10, 11, and 12. And I'll have an 8-spread album. I'll then upload this straight to Miller's printing lab with my company. Get this printed, nice leather bound, great price. And once that's done, it is shipped to me overnight, so I can't rave about them enough as well. And so simply, that is just how I do a custom design album for a family or for one of my clients in less than 15 minutes. Good luck! Hope y'all dive right into Albumstomp and save you lots of time. Have a fabulous day.